star, moves like waves. Oh, oh, oh. She takes control. Dancehall queen, she's got my soul.
Ooh, yeah. She's fire, she's flame. Everywhere she goes, they call her name. Dancehall queen, she rules the scene. Jamaican beauty, living the dream. Oh, dancehall queen, the world will see. She's the rhythm, she's the beat. She's free. Oh, free. Sun-kissed skin and a smile so sweet. She turns the night into pure heat. Feet on fire, dancing to the night. Dancehall queen, she's pure delight. Yeah, she's power, she's grace. Lights up the world, she owns the space. Dancehall queen, she rules the scene. Jamaican beauty, living the dream. Oh, dancehall queen, the world will see.
waves hum softly to the shore. A mango falls, the trees adore. Colors dripping from the sky in their grill. Time learns to fly. Lovers walking hand in hand, barefoot tracing golden sand. Reggae rhythms guide their way. Sunset whispers, night will stay. Coconut moonlight spills its glow. Palm trees swaying, moving slow.
Her laughter sparkles, his heart sways in their grill. Love finds its phrase.
Four voices rise. The ocean sighs. The stars lean close. They watch and laugh. Lovers walking hand in hand, barefoot tracing golden sand. Reggae rhythms guide their way. Sunset whispers, night will stay. Steel drum echoes, heartbeats blend. Time bends, no need for it to end. Harmony in every breath, love alive, no fear of death. Get higher. Golden hour glow so sweet, sand sticking to my bare feet. Wave summer tune I can't beat. Pass it around, pass it slow. Feel the breeze, let it flow. Sunset spliff session, you know, oh you know. Pass it around, pass it slow. Feel the breeze, let it flow. Sunset spliff session, you know, oh you know.
Stars peeking through the painted sky. Smoke curls like whispers passing by. We laugh till the moon starts to rise.
Four voices hum, hum, hum. A reggae drum, hum, hum. It's where we're from, hum, hum, hum. Yeah. Pass it around, pass it slow. Feel the breeze. Ashes fall like shooting stars. Dreams light up in mason jars.
One world, no walls, no bite.
Four voices hum, hum, hum. A reggae drum, hum, hum. It's where we're from, hum, hum, hum. Yeah, pass it around, pass it slow. Feel the breeze, let it flow. Sunset split session, you know, oh you know. Pass it around, pass it slow. Feel the breeze, let it flow. Sunset split session, you know, oh you know. Sea breeze rolls and kisses my face. Whisper of you drift through this place. Salt in the air, but it tastes so sweet.
Like your love when our hearts meet.
Whispers in the tide. Whispers in the tide. Your love flows in ways can't hide. Can't hide. Whispers in the tide. They call your name. Every drop of the ocean feels the same. The moon watches us, her silver glow,
Dancing slow where the waters flow.
your laughter, it hums like a distant drum, pulling me closer where dreams come from. Every wave a promise, soft and low. Every breeze says, don't let go. Whispers in the tide. Whispers in the tide. Your love flows in waves can't hide. Can't hide. Whispers in the tide. They call your name. Every drop of the ocean feels the same.
The stars are a choir, the night our stage.
Your voice is the warmth in this ocean page.
Backup singers rise.
A harmony divine. Four voices lifting yours, making the night shine. that begin. Echo bouncing through the smoky night, lost in rhythm till the morning.